Welcome to Maths with Bob. Today we're looking at the 3-minute series on statistics, confidence intervals, problem number 2. We're going to look at a 95% confidence interval again. Inferences on the mean. The variance is actually from historical data. Now, this is interesting. It's actually 4.2 here grams of sugar per 100 grams of solution. But this is a Baume measurement of sugar content of grapes. But you'll see later on we actually would be much better off actually using the standard deviation of the sample to estimate the variance, and that's going to lead us into what's called t-distributions. But anyway, that's coming up next. But okay, so a winemaker needs an average Baume of 22 to harvest his grapes. A sample of 50 has a mean of 20. Historical data in this area suggests a population standard deviation of 4.2. Calculate a 95% confidence interval for the Baume. Okay. All right, so let's have a look. Okay, so again, you can see here we use the confidence interval. Again, x bar plus or minus z score times this. You can see here the standard deviation of the population, which is from historical data on the square root of n, the sample size. Okay. Now, okay, I've done it over here. We are using obviously the upper and lower tails. Here you can see here the z scores here 1.96. n minus 1.96 to calculate this confidence interval, and you can see here it turns out to be 21.164 to 18.86, 18.836 I should say. Okay, now as you know there's 2.5% above and 2.5% below as before, and we're also going to have a look at the confidence interval of 99% as well, because when we harvest the grapes we want to be pretty sure. Okay, so you can see here, even at a 99% confidence interval, we are not getting our 22 in our range here. Okay, so what are we going to do? Well, personally, I don't think I'd harvest the grapes yet, but basically the idea is that what would happen is we should actually use the estimate of the samples standard deviation and use another distribution, and which I'll do in my next video, but just to show you what happens. But basically, if we're doing it from like a historical data and assuming a normal distribution, you can see here our confidence intervals here, 95% confidence interval here, between here and here would be between the upper one would be what, 21.164, and the lower one would be 18.836. Okay, we need 22. Okay, we're not getting it yet. Okay, so even at the, you can see here at the 99% confidence interval, which is a bit obviously wider still. Okay, here, okay, from 21.530 down to 18.470. Okay, we're still basically not getting our average, if you like, sugar content in our confidence interval. So we're not confident really that our grapes are going to have a Baume, or an average Baume of 22. Okay, thank you for watching, and bye for now.